A lot of business owners think they have the right insurance right up until they have a claim. And by then, it's usually too late to fix it. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 common commercial insurance mistakes that I see all the time. On this channel, I share insurance tips, tricks, and news you can use to make better decisions about your coverage. These are things I see across different industries and in policies that I review regularly. Mistake number 1, only focusing on price. Choosing the lowest premium without understanding the coverage differences, which often creates coverage gaps that are not obvious until something happens. The cheapest policy can end up being your most expensive mistake. Mistake number 2, incorrect or incomplete classifications. This is a huge one, and I see it all the time. If this one is wrong, you could end up with a large bill at the end of the year when they correct it, a non-renewed policy, or you could even have claims denied. The wrong business classification, incorrect job descriptions, or not listing all operations can all contribute to this risk. Insurance pricing and coverage are based on what you actually do. So if that's not accurate, it can cause issues with claims. If your policy does not reflect your business, then that is a problem. Mistake number 3, not enough or the right type of liability coverage. Low limits to save money, not thinking about real-world exposure, not realizing the cost of claims today is so much higher than they were even 5 years ago, and general liability does not cover all liability exposure. Liability coverage is there so your business can survive your worst scenario. Mistake number 4, missing key coverages. Professional liability, cyber liability, employment practices, property coverage, work comp, commercial auto or hired and non-owned auto are all things that some businesses need to make sure are covered. General liability does not cover everything, and different risks have different needs. So what's not covered is just as important as what is covered. And mistake number 5, not reviewing your policy on a regular basis. Businesses change, the market changes, and coverage becomes outdated. Drivers come and go, services change, and so should your policy. I recommend a touch base at every renewal and a full in-depth review every 3 years. Insurance is not one of those things you can just set and forget. What this means? These mistakes are common, but they're also fixable. Most people just are not aware of them. The goal is not just having insurance, it's having the right coverage. So what should you do? Review your current policy. At a minimum, a quick look at renewal and in-depth full review every 3 years. If you have not reviewed lately, you absolutely should pull that policy out and take a look at it now. Make sure it reflects your business accurately. Look at both price and coverages. Small adjustments today can help prevent big problems tomorrow. So to recap, 5 common mistakes business owners make: focusing only on price, insurance classifications being incorrect, insufficient liability, missing key coverages, and not reviewing your policy on a regular basis. If you're not sure where your policy stands, it's definitely worth taking a closer look. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Keri Lyn Simmons with Vista Insurance, and I'll see you in the next video.